Hi, good morning.
I got.
You got what?
I want to go downstairs.
Or what do you want to do downstairs?
I want to play trash.
You want to play with your tracks?
Yeah.
What else do you want to do?
I want to blueberry pancakes.
You want blueberry pancakes?
Yeah. Oh yeah.
I don't know if we have any more blueberry pancakes. We'll have to see.
Nope.
Nope. Did you have a good sleep?
Yeah.
Did you have a good Christmas yesterday?
I want to open a present.
Oh, there might be some more presents to open that we didn't open yesterday. Did you like your tool bench that you got?
I want to bench.
Yeah, you want to play with your tool bench?
Yeah.
What tools did you get?
A hammer.
Hammer, what else?
My bench.
Monkey wrench, what else?
Saw.
A saw, that's right.
I want to go downstairs.
Okay.
I want to go down.
Can you say good morning?
Go on.
All right. I love you, buddy.
When I change the temperature.
Diaper change? Okay. All
Yeah.
right. Say bye-bye. All right. Diaper change?